Assalamu alaikum. Arabic language is amazing and easy. Let me clarify. Arabic is easy in many aspects, especially for the beginners. I want to highlight those aspects. Advanced learning may involve additional rules, but that is not the topic here. I will compare Arabic with English, Hindi and Telugu because I know these languages and I love them all. So let us take the first letter of other languages and compare them with Arabic. For English, one stroke to write another stroke and another stroke. For Hindi, half circle, another half circle, a line and a line and a line. For Telugu, a circle and a half circle and a circle and a line. And for Arabic, just one line. Which language is easy? It's Arabic. Isn't it interesting? Arabic is spoken by almost 400 million people and it's the official language in around 25 countries and one of the official languages of the UN. It's a religious language of 1.8 billion Muslims, including 1.4 billion non-Arab Muslims. Wassalamu alaikum. Please visit understandquran.com for our courses on Read Al-Quran, Learn Tajweed and Understand Al-Quran and for one-to-one learning. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum.